Okay, guys, it's time. Say hi to Alex. I have 3 different styles of embroidery hoop or cross-stitch stands that I found on both Shein and Temu. So that I found them on both. I will try to find the links, put them down below. Any of these were less than $30 at the time that I purchased them. So we have this one here. You sit on it, and it sits on your lap. This little piece unscrews. This raises up and down. They all will hold an embroidery hoop. We're going to see if any of them will hold a nurge. This is a 220 millimeter by 195 millimeter. I don't know inch-wise, but it's a little heavy, but not as heavy as a Q-snap. None of them will hold a Q-snap that I can figure out. So this one here, I did cut it because I am farsighted, so I need things closer to my lap and further away. So I just cut this off, but it raises up and down when you get one without being cut. I wanted mine down as far as it could go. So there's this one. I don't love it. This one is interesting. We all have the same, the piece at the bottom. It attaches to your table. You have all of your adjustments here. This is a screw and a receiver on one side. You can move it up and down, and it only comes out this one arm's length. I'm leaning towards this one just because with my vision, it's closer and better. But then there's this one, which I honestly thought was going to be my pick. So let me move this one down. You have your block here. Again, same kind of concept. This holds this piece. These all unscrew so you can adjust. And this is a big piece up here. I think it's the same size, yeah. That will hold a hoop as well, but you've got much more adjustments. But I need to be close to the table for my lamp to work, right? So I have a lamp, a magnifying light that I need. So I'm kind of at a point where I need adjustments. Oops, sorry. I unscrewed this. Let me screw this back in. If I decide to take one of these, I'm going to get some different wing nuts. All right, so this is the 3 of them together. We're going to test them out, and I'm going to try to attach the nurge to each of them. All right, number 1. It holds the nurge. There is a cutout here that doesn't quite fit. It may go better on the long way, but it does hold it. It's in here. So that's nice because I do not prefer a hoop. So this one that you sit on, so this goes under your butt or your leg, that little bottom piece. So it's not really what I was looking for to take to a retreat, but it's definitely an option. And I think I'll give that to my neighbor because she said she may be interested. So we'll see. Okay, this one holds the nurge as well. Now, this is obviously out straight. It will bend. You'll have to tighten it up here, but it does raise and lower. This one actually holds the... Oops, so hold on. Let me tighten that down again. This one holds it very well. Very well. I will say underneath here, because of my table, I'm not doing a good job screwing it to tighten, but that's a flaw in my table. I will say if you have a lot of excess fabric, there's going to be some managing that needs to happen back here somehow. It can 100% be done. Just something to keep in mind. Again, I think this is my winner because of where it sits and how close the project is to the table. Now, on this one, I could absolutely take this one and remove this arm and attach that to this. Not a problem. This one is also heavier than that one. for what it's worth. Now, if you are a nearsighted person and you need things closer to your face, or you don't need magnification, I would say this could be your winner. This one, definitely, I mean, I just like it because it's close enough to the table where I can get my magnifying light to bend over it. So let's try the other one with the Nerge. Okay, now, I just was messing around with these. Yes, this holds the Nerge. You have all this, but look. This one I can turn over and bury my threads in the back. I cannot do that with this piece. So every time I had to bury a thread, I would have to take my stitching out or leave it dangle. This one, I have the option. Ooh, now I tried removing this arm and attaching that to this, but you can't. If you can see, it's too wide. Here, it doesn't work. However, if I take it, for me, like that would work. I think I can make that work and have my light attached. And then while I'm stitching away and I need to bury my thread, I just turn it over, turn it back. Okay. I'm going to bring them all with me. Well, these both with me to my next retreat, but we'll see. So I hope this was helpful. Like I said, I'll try to have links down below where I got these. And yeah, I hope they were helpful for an affordable option for a table stand. Have a good one.